All right, here's another blues jam from the Blues Brothers. This is going to be their version of like Hey Bartender, another kind of standard blues tune. So this one we're going to be in C. We're going to have this riff to start out. We're going to go. And then our progression starts. So we're basically in like C7 is our main home base first chord. We're going to have F7 and G7. So that's our three chords in this key. So we got C minor pentatonic going on, different things like that. You got your first riff here. We go. So that's big three, and then we got 1 and 3 on the A string. So 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now this one goes from C down here to this E flat, first fret of the D string and back. So let's try those two. A 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So see that one slid real quick from the F to the G, the 3 to the 5 on the D string, back to that E flat, back to the C. So we got 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And you can kind of go with the horns there. You could go back to the low one, but it kind of sounds cool if you jump up. If you listen to the horn section, they kind of go up higher at that point. So that kind of be cool to match them right there. Then we got our F7, 3, 4. Hey, bartender. Hey, bartender. Draw 1, drop 2, drop 3 more glasses of beer. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll get into some riffs in there in between. So we hit the thing. So what I'm doing there is I'm hitting these 10s like on the second and third string. Doing a little chord bend there. There's other things you could do. You could do like, say you got a chord up here for the C. We got, so that'd be like the 18, bending with the 18 underneath it. So there's little double stop things all around that you could do. You could do like a, you could do stuff like that where you kind of get 2 strings off of that bent note. So. You also got like this chord here, this 10th fret with the 11. Do a little chord off of that thing. So here's a few ideas. And you got this one. And you got stuff like that. Just things to kind of like make a noise and sustain so you could still hear the vocal, but you got a guitar kind of fill happening there. So let's do that riff again. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. So that's going to be our jam. We're going to jam on the C7, F7. I'm doing an F7 9 here and a G7 9 here. So we're going to jam on that. Look at your C minor pentatonic. And we want to see how these positions combine as well. We also want to see, if you look at where your second position and your third position would be, third position is real key because this is another one that combines positions real easily. So if you ever forget where that one is, just look at where your first position ends, and that's where your next position would start. And of course, it's good to know all these positions. But here's where that third one starts, and this is that one that really, it's the other main one that connects positions real well. You can slide up here. So So think about this position here. That's the one I think of as fourth position. And there's your root note, that C in there. So we got all these different things to think about. You also have like down here, you know, he did the riff. So that's. This is also the one that, this is also that position up here, the octave of it. The second combining positions kind of bit. So you got a lot of different places. This would be your fourth position over here. It's good to see where your C is in the fourth position. So that's your fifth position. Here's your first position. So let's jam on that. 2, 3, and. Go back down to that riff. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 4 chord coming up. So the ending on this, we have our 5 chord. So it kind of stops on that 4 chord. And then where we would kind of hit this 1 chord, we're going to go. So we're going to jump from the 1 to its 3 there. So we go up chromatic, do-dum, 8, 9, 10, and then we jump down here, 8, 9, 10. We'll hit that C7, 9 down there at the end. So we got. Hey, bartender. All right, so we got. And then we got our ending. 2, 3, 4. All right, Hey Bartender, classic blues. Check out the Blues Brothers version if you haven't heard that. Good one to jam on. All that Blues Brothers stuff is great. So check that out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll talk to you soon. Peace out.